Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. Boy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day.
Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy Boy for shavenation.com. Right now I'm going to take you through some adjustable safety razors. We'll start off with some older models, work our way up to some newer models, and hopefully you'll get a good smattering of all the different types of safety razors that are adjustable, either by turning the dial at the bottom or by flipping a plate to change the adjustment between the safety bar and the top cap, which is called the blade gap. The larger the blade gap, the more aggressive that razor is going to shave. The smaller the blade gap, like the less blade reveal, the more mild shaving that razor will be. Alright, so we'll get started and I'll show you a few of these razors, and if you see anything you're interested, just click down below the video where it says show more and you can pick the razors up down there, or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, they'll pop right up. Except for, of course, the antiques, the old ones, we won't have those for sale. They're not making any more of those. Alright, let's get to work. Alright, let's get started. I will show you a variety of adjustable safety razors with a brief description of each, and if you want to pick up any of these razors, just click below the video where it says show more, or go to shavenation.com, enter the name in the search box, and it'll pop right up. Some of them are antiques or collector's items, and they're not making any more of them, just like real estate. Safety razors have a guard over the blade for protection, and the gap between the top cap and safety bar or base plate dictates how aggressive the shave will be. An adjustable razor allows you to lessen or widen that gap to increase the aggressiveness of the shave provided. This gives you the ability to customize your shave to suit your beard growth on any given day. You can start at a high setting to remove the bulk of the beard, then lower the setting to clean up on subsequent passes. Or reverse the procedure if that works better for you. This is one of the best safety razors ever made, in my humble opinion. It's the Gillette Fat Boy adjustable safety razor. They were brilliant enough to put a bubble, a magnification bubble on the front, right on the top cover so that you could see the numbers. These are the adjustment numbers for the razor. Here's a look at it. Here's the case, Gillette adjustable with some Gillette blades, thin blades. This razor was made in the USA. It has a date code on the bottom, and the letter and the number signify the year that it was manufactured and the quarter of the year that it was manufactured. This one is from the fourth quarter of 1959. You spin the dial at the bottom, it opens up, drop your blade in, get your shave on. But the best part, you could adjust it, and it has positive click. You can see the red adjustment mark at the top, just below the head, and when you turn it, you can actually hear the clicks, and it stops positively on each one. So there's no guessing as to what number, and it goes from 1 to 9 with half setting increments in between. A very classic razor. Next up is the Merkur Vision 2000, made in Solingen, Germany. This razor was available up until a few years back. It's a very large razor. Very substantial. Size reference, here it is next to the Gillette Fat Boy. Huge difference in size. Also a butterfly style razor. Turn the dial at the bottom, and it does take about 13 turns to open this razor, and 13 turns to close it back up again. Drop your blade in over the slot. This is the Merkur logo up at the top, and you will spin the adjustment dial at the top, and the adjustment is not numbers, but it's letters, V-I-S-I-O-N. Depending on the setting, you will increase the aggressiveness of the razor. Drop your blade in, lock it down. You're ready to rock and roll with your shave. As I said, this razor was discontinued a few years back. think it was due to maintenance issues, the adjustment factor not being cleaned properly, difficult to disassemble and reassemble, all those things. Now we'll get into some modern day razors. This is the feather adjustable razor. This is a very low budget razor. The way this works, you spin the dial and the head opens up, drop your blade in, and you're ready to get your shave on. The adjustment feature is right here. It's only a 1 and a 2. As you can see, right here, 1 and 2, that's your adjustment. So it doesn't give you a wide variety, but this is a good basic adjustable razor if you just want to get your feet wet starting to shave with an adjustable. This razor is made in Japan. This is a Merkur Progress razor. This is made in Solingen, Germany. This is an adjustable 2-piece razor. Spin the dial at the bottom. The head comes off and you drop your blade over and reassemble. Now this razor has a notch right here, a line and a notch. These need to line up when you reassemble it. You don't want to put it in backwards. You want that line and notch to match each other. And then you will tighten it down. And at the bottom there are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a plus. So you can go in between any of these numbers or stop on those numbers. A very popular adjustable razor, the Merkur Progress. That's the standard size. Also comes in a long handle version. It also comes in a travel kit in a case right here. This is the standard version, plus a 10-pack of Merkur razor blades. On the bottom side of the base plate, it says Merkur, Solingen, Germany, right there. And then it's got the Merkur logo as well. This is the Parker variant safety razor, also adjustable. Spin the dial at the bottom, similar to the Progress, and the head comes off. Drop your blade in, you're ready to get your shave on. This also has a matching line and notch that need to line up. You don't want to reverse it like that. You want to make sure that the line matches up with the notch on the bottom portion. Tighten it down all the way and then set it to your adjustment point. And I have videos with many of these razors. We'll put links up in the corner where you can check them out. The Parker variant comes in a satin finish, a graphite finish, and a very appealing to the eye rose gold finish. Parker razors are made in India. This is the Merkur Future adjustable safety razor. This has a very slick blade loading mechanism, different than any other razor. You pull off the cap, just like that. And then you drop your blade over the posts and then just snap it down again. And this can go either way. It's bidirectional. So you can reassemble the top cap to the base plate either way. And to adjust it, you spin the entire handle, and the adjustment line is here, up at the top, and then you set it accordingly, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, with half increments along the way. On the top, it's Merkur, Germany, with the Merkur, I should say Merkur, the Merkur logo. It's Future and Merkur. So here's the Merkur logo, and then it says Merkur, Germany. We'll get that straight. Also a very popular adjustable safety razor. It does not stand up by itself. It's rounded at the bottom. It comes in a satin finish, a polished chrome finish, and a polished gold finish. Very beautiful looking razor. This is the Rockwell Model T adjustable safety razor. It comes in this nice case with a protective cover for the head so you don't cut yourself when you reach into your DOP kit. and a package of Rockwell razor blades. Let's remove the razor and take a look at it. To operate this, you just spin the handle at the bottom, and it's a butterfly style. Similar to the Vision or the Gillette Fat Boy. Drop your blade in. There's an arrow up at the top right here, and that's your adjustment point. And this goes from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, with your half spots in between. It is not a positive click, it's a smooth turning dial. This razor comes in a white chrome finish, as you see here, and also a gunmetal finish. This is what the gunmetal finish looks like, but we don't happen to have one in stock right now. Rockwell razors were originally made in the USA and possibly Canada, and now they're made in China. This is a different type of adjustable razor. This is made by Rockwell. What you do here, unscrew the handle, and it's got a plate that has numbers on it, R3, R1. You flip the plate to make your adjustment. So in my opinion, it's not really a truly adjustable razor. It's more like a flippable razor for adjustment. You don't turn a dial to adjust it, but you flip the base plate. And that will increase or decrease the aggressiveness of the shave. This razor comes in a white chrome finish or a gunmetal finish. It only comes with one adjustment plate. Next up is the Rockwell 6C. This razor comes with 3 different adjustment plates. 1, 2, and one's already on the razor. And a package of Rockwell blades. Remove the handle. Flip the plate to adjust it. Just like that. And here are the other plates. So this razor comes with the R1, R2 plate, R3, R4 plate, and then the R5, R6 plate. White chrome, gunmetal. Next up is the Rockwell 6S flippable head safety razor. It's a nice hefty razor. Same method of adjustment. Flip the head, R1, R3. This razor comes with 3 different plates, R1, R3, R2, R4, R5, R6, and also a package of Rockwell blades. This razor comes with a brushed satin finish or a black PVD finish. This blacked out look is very popular at the moment. Same adjustment plates, same method of operation. Flip the plate, make your adjustment. Get your shave on. Here's a look at that one. Last but not least is the Rex Ambassador Safety Razor. Very beautiful looking finish. Spin the handle at the bottom. Remove the top plate. Insert your blade over the post and the 2 slots. Just drop it back in. Turn the bottom dial till it catches. Here's your adjustment point right here. There's a red dot on the dial. So you'll spin that to whichever setting you prefer. From 1 all the way up to 6 with half increments in between. This also is a smooth turning dial. No positive click, like the Fat Boy. Each one of these razors is individually numbered. As you can see, this is 288803, and this is also concurrent with the Gillette date code. They've carried it forward. And this razor is made in the USA as well. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do me a favor before I head out. Please click that subscribe button down there and then click the bell up there, and then click all. So you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox and you won't miss any. Oh, if you want to pick up any of these razors, just click down below where it says show more, or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Boy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.